2007 Lexus LS 460. What we did on it for you guys today is we left everything stock converters in there and in there. Then it's got stock converters in the middle. Left the resonators on it, but we did a muffler delete. One here and one here. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Or in a second, because of the internet world. Right there, right there. Everything else is stock. Lexus LS 460L. Lexus LS 460L. Muffler delete. There's the old muffler. Sounds really good. That's how old Lexuses should sound.